Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add captions to Instagram videos. First thing first, boot up your Instagram app to get started. Tap on the Instagram, then tap the plus sign in the center of the bottom bar or slide the home feed to the right. Now, select Reels from the creation options or post, story, and live. Next, it's time to record your reel. If you have a video you've already put together, just swipe up and upload it from your camera roll. Otherwise, you can easily record and edit your reel right inside the Instagram. There are templates you can choose from if you want a starting point for your reel. Or you can take advantage of some of the other recording tools available, like filters, effects, grids, or a green screen that can make your reels more engaging. Once you've chosen your preferred tools, click the recording button to get started. You can record multiple segments rather than a single continuous video before moving on to the next step. When you're done recording and satisfied with your reel, tap Next in the bottom right corner. That will take you to the editing interface with your recorded video in the background. Then tap Edit Video to mess around with the video timeline or use the editing tools in the top right corner of the screen to make other adjustments. Now, if you have an on-screen video captions, you need to click the sticker icon to open up the menu. You can incorporate many different types of sticker into your reel or post, including animated GIFs. Scroll through or search to find some fun ways to engage your audience or move on to the next step to generate subtitles. Then tap the caption sticker to access the auto subtitle functionality. If there's audio in your video, the app will start transcribing it. It'll pull from your video audio or voiceover if you have one. Once the transcription has been finalized, your captions will appear on your phone screen. Then, finalize your caption and publish. This is where you make sure your captions are accurate. The auto generation tool doesn't always get every word 100% correct, so you'll need to do some touch-ups. Just tap to edit captions and make sure they perfectly match the word in the video. Next, you can choose one of our styles for your captions. You can also drag them to a specific place in your screen. Make them bigger or smaller and change the color. Once you're happy with how your captions look, tap Done, then tap Next. Here, you can select a cover for your video, write a caption to go along with it, tag people or locations, and then share. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.